Let me show you how to create these viral videos. Open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for food eating itself and select that GPT. Click Start Chat. This custom GPT will give you 5 text-to-image prompts based on the food you type in. Let's try hot wing. You'll get 1 main prompt, that's the one to create the hot wing image, and 4 related food prompts. Copy the main prompt and click the OpenArt link that ChatGPT gives you. In OpenArt, go to the Image tab, click Create Image. Under Model, select Nana Banana Pro. Paste the prompt. In the output settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for shorts. Set the resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want, and OpenArt will generate them. I also tested the other text-to-image prompts, and they looked great too. Pick an image you like and click the Image to Video button. In the Image to Video tab, select the model Kling 2.6. Now type in a prompt like chicken eating chicken and click Create. You'll get a video that looks like a hot wing eating itself. I also tried it with a pear. Used a simple prompt, pear eating pear, and got a similar fun result. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If